In this demonstration, we'll show how to merge data from two incompatible claim systems, combine that with data from various other sources, and then visually analyze all that data to identify patterns indicative of fraud. Here we can see an Excel spreadsheet with data from the first claim system, where you'll see that roles for each entity are specified in rows in a single column, where these roles include beneficiary, claimant driver, and so forth. In the second claim system, data is structured differently, and for example, roles are specified in a series of dedicated columns. By the way, all the data in this demo is fictitious, and though DataWalk can handle vast amounts of data, here we're just using some small example datasets. In DataWalk, you load data in whatever format it's in, and we'll drag the first Excel file onto the DataWalk canvas. DataWalk suggests data types for each column, and we can check and change these as desired. We can also change the way data will be displayed. In this case, the suggested data types are all deemed appropriate, and we hit Save in order to import and configure this data in the system. And this data set is now loaded, and we can see that this set includes about 48,000 data records. Now, I'll mention here that we're using Excel files for this simple demo, but in practice you can load data into DataWalk in various ways, including pulling data from databases, or using ETL or other data movement tools to place data into DataWalk drop folders, with the deltas then being loaded into the appropriate data set when desired. We'll eventually want to merge this with data from another claim system, so we'll go ahead and create an extract of entities using the fields of role, SSN, and EIN. We give this extract a name, entities, and we hit OK to create this extract. And now we see that this extract has been created. Now, we had previously loaded the data from the other claim system through the same process. We're just skipping all that here in the interest of time. For that system, we structured a data set for each role, claimant drivers, attorneys, and so forth. And now we want to merge these two sets into one set of unique claims. Once we have normalized the column headers in each set, we can do this with a simple click of a button. So we first select the two sets, and then we merge these sets. We name the new combined set, and we use a couple advanced options which allow us to use the new combined set along with all its previous connections while hiding the clutter of the two sets we've now combined. We then hit OK, and now we see that the two previous claim sets have been replaced with a new claim set that has combined the two. Now we'll do the same for roles to combine them into one set of entities. And now we see that we have a single claim set with 118,000 claims connected to a single set of entities that contains 242,000 objects. To make this a bit more visual, we can change the icons of both of these sets. And now we have a simple visualization for our combined data sets. Now, we've been doing all this in a DataWalk facility called the Universe Viewer, and we can easily add and connect another data source. This one is a list of our brokers. We import this data set, and now I'll connect this set to the claim set using the Social Security number. And now we have three data sets ready to go.